In this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out on TikTok video. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And if you found a video and you want to zoom in to see the specific details of that video, there is no way actually to do it on TikTok, but there is a simple trick that allows you to do that. And all you have to do is hit at that share button and then hit here at save video and wait until video will be saved. Next, you can just hop out TikTok app and get into your photo gallery, hit on recents. Your video will be at the last position. You can hit on that, you can play it, and now you can pitch and zoom in, and now you can move that video for zooming the specific part, and actually you can zoom out in the same way. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.